for you. So just we wanted to start the session and listen so things from Rita Kakkar ma'am. Just I'll let you know and few things regarding her biodata. Ma'am, could you please open your video?
Namaskar. Namaskar, madam.
Namaskar.
Yeah. Rita Kakkar ma'am, the professor Rita Kakkar ma'am is joined the Department of Chemistry in 1984. After a 3 years of stint at Miranda House, she took her BSc honors, MSc, MPhil, and PhD degree, all from Delhi University. Her field of specialization is physical chemistry, but the area of interest is computation. It is also the part of computational chemistry. But nowadays, computational chemistry is a need of time, and she has done her PhD, I think, in 70s, or I don't know, 70s or uh,
81.
81. Now it's in very much in demand. We know that as far as environmental friendly and so many things is doing, and lot many research in national international is going on in this field. So we can understand ki how many ma'am came here very short notice and very shortage of time also. She has published over 200 research paper in international journal of repute and several chapters for repute publishers. Her research interests include the application of computational method to investigation of mechanistic pathway of reaction at nanosurface and in understanding enzyme catalyst and small molecule chemistry. She heads a large research groups and has supervised more than 60 doctoral and several MPhil theses. She regularly reviews paper for journals and book published by several renowned publishing house. She has delivered, I think, more than the 1,000 invited lectures at various international conference and national conference. And he is an advisory board, a member of so many. Means I cannot explain her biodata. And now I just want to listen from Rita Kakkar ma'am. One thing which I know very much about Rita Kakkar, एक इवेंट था, उस इवेंट में मैम कुछ बोल रही थी और मैं भी वहां पे सुन रही थी. सुनते सुनते उन्होंने एक चीज बोली कि 70s में आज जब लोग विदेश जाने के लिए इतने व्याकुल होते हैं, इतने आतुर होते हैं, उस वक्त मैम ने अपना ग्रेजुएशन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन किया. पीएचडी के इतने ऑफर्स थे फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी से, सबको ठुकराया और उन्होंने एक शब्द बोला, क्या नहीं है मेरे हिंदुस्तान में. कैन यू बिलीव दी 70s में ये शब्द बोलना कितनी बड़ी बात है. जब आज भी हम सोचते हैं कि हमें कुछ बाहर से मिल जाए, मतलब विदेशी बात करना कि हम विदेशी चीज को या विदेशी प्लेटफॉर्म को ठुकराते हैं और देशी को अपनाते हैं, और इतना काबिल होने के बाद ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी चीज थी, मुझे पता नहीं थी. तो मेरी एक आदत है, जब मैं किसी चीज को सुनती हूँ किसी भी जगह पे, तो उसमें से एक मेन चीज देखती हूँ कि क्या है. तो मुझे ये बहुत अच्छी लगी और मैं अपने स्टूडेंट से ये चाहती, जो आज की इरा में ये सोचते हैं कि हम विदेश नहीं गए तो कुछ नहीं किया, तो उनके सामने एक ऐसा एपिटोम मौजूद है जिसने वो सब कुछ किया और इतने प्रेस्टिजियस इंस्टीट्यूट से अपना ग्रेजुएशन, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, इतनी फेलोशिप्स, गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, सब कुछ करने के बाद हिंदुस्तान में वो मुकाम हासिल किया जो कंप्यूटेशनल केमिस्ट्री के फील्ड में इतनी आसानी से किसी को हासिल नहीं होता. मैम, अब मैं आपसे सुनना चाहूंगी, जस्ट say something.
Thank you so much. I don't think I deserve so much praise जितना आपने दिया है, and thank you to Shyamlal College for inviting me. As promised, I won't take long. लेकिन आपने जो कहा, that has started a thread. Just today, I was attending a conference on the national education policy, and it was in ICCR, वो cultural relations. They give fellowships to people from foreign universities to come, foreigners to come here and study. तो वो बातें कर रहे थे अबाउट दिस कि हाउ टू अट्रैक्ट स्टूडेंट्स, एंड दे सेड कि डिफरेंस ये है कि जो फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, दे वांट इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स टू मेक मनी, क्योंकि वो ऑलमोस्ट 1 करोड़, बिकॉज माई सन ऑल्सो, मतलब वो विदेश वाला चस्का था. ही सेड ही वांटेड टू स्टडी अब्रॉड. वो तो बाई चांस आई वाज वेरी बिजी डूइंग समथिंग, तो उसका सैट का एग्जाम रह गया, बट फाइनली ही गॉट एडमिशन टू परड्यू, तो ही वांटेड टू गो. उसके बाद उसका ये AIEEE जो एग्जाम है, ही गॉट अ प्रिटी गुड स्कोर. मैंने कहा अब जाने की क्या जरूरत है, नाउ यू गॉट अ गुड स्कोर, यू विल गेट एडमिशन इन India itself, so at least you study here. But it was 1 crore, and by chance, I mean, they want to you to show that you have at least 25 lakh for one semester in your account, so that then only they give admission. By chance we had, because we had taken a loan to buy a house, तो हमारे पास था, but finally he didn't go. Of course now he's abroad, तो वो तो that probably you have to go. But I'll say one thing: Delhi University is better than the best universities abroad. There's nothing like Delhi University. जो जो prestige है, and today they were talking about how to attract students. So ICCR में there were vice chancellors from most universities. They were talking about we'll construct hostels, or the hostels should be the best in the world class होने चाहिए. But Delhi University already has good international hostels. We have a hostel for men and another hostel for girls. मैंने hostel for men तो देखा नहीं है, but it has always traditionally it has been headed by professors from my department. तो पहले Professor Khurana was the provost, then Professor Rajiv Gupta, now somebody else is there, but Professor Mahendra Nath has been associated with it for a long time. But I've seen the girls hostel. अब beauty ये है कि you know the girls hostel, it ambience is very good, greenery बहुत है, grass बहुत अच्छी लगी हुई है, and otherwise also it's very neat and clean. But what I was appreciating, thinking there now, what I appreciated was that it is not 100% hostel for foreigners. उसमें 80% foreigners हैं, तो 20% they are Indians, so that they are able to mingle with the Indians and learn about Indian traditions. क्योंकि and हम लोग ये भी बात कर रहे थे कि you know, like what the vice chancellor said, actually he made the keynote speech there. So he said कि even the prime minister has said कि adversity है, so we should make full use of it. What you should appreciate is कि Indian culture जो है, that is something that we can show to them. और आप कहीं भी पढ़ो, you know, recently I mean those who are students of this department know that we had a building जो demolish की गई थी to construct a new building. अब नई building बन रही है, everybody wants it, although it belongs entirely to chemistry department. So they named it after an a scientist, मतलब scientist in the sense वो पुराने जो Sears, आचार्य कनाड, वैसे महर्षि कनाड भी is the name of that building. And long before this was done, मैं अपने lectures on atomic theory, I always used to talk about him, because 2500 years before Dalton को हम कहते हैं ना कि atomic theory and atoms combine in small numbers, 2500 साल उससे पहले this आचार्य he formulated this atomic theory. उन्होंने कहा कि परमाणु होते हैं और जो combine करते हैं to make अणु, मतलब atoms they combine to make molecules, exactly जो डाल्टन की theory में था. पर आप जो विदेशी books पढ़ेंगे उसमें everywhere Dalton is credited with the atomic theory. So I mean and Newton's laws of motions also, that is why he's called a physicist, not a chemist. लेकिन atomic theory तो हमारी भी है, so we also take credit for him. He's one of such people. अब कहीं भी देखो, you look in medicine, Sushruta, everybody, you know, our Indian philosophy, our आज भी you know corona virus के साथ fight कर रहे हैं, तो vaccine, the Indian vaccine is far superior to the other vaccine. So there is something in Indian science, and we must promote it. So I don't know what your lecture today is, you know, what you have planned for today. लेकिन I appreciate, I've all जहाँ भी मैं किसी फोरा में जाती हूँ, I always say the colleges are doing a very good job. They are making a virtue out of adversity. कि कोरोना के टाइम पे बच्चे आ नहीं सकते हैं, लेकिन to keep them occupied so that they don't even you know morbid thoughts ना सोचें, गलत चीजें ना सोचें कि हम घर के अंदर बंद हैं. You are keeping them busy, and what a better way, what can be better than you know having these online webinars, क्योंकि कहीं भी बैठे you can get speakers from anywhere in the world. थोड़ा time adjust करना पड़ता है so that you know it is not night there. लेकिन you can get speakers from anywhere. People who used to be reluctant कि हम आ नहीं सकते हैं, हम travel नहीं कर सकते हैं, हम बहुत busy हैं, पर 1 घंटा तो कोई भी निकाल लेता है. And we have had excellent speakers in many of these conferences and these workshops that are going on. I think पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही हैं nowadays, because people are making use of this, actually bad times. कल one of our assistant, he was found positive. Today our SO was also found positive. I have to close my department office. What, it is very very, you plan something और वो आप कर नहीं पाते हो because of corona. But then what you can do, it is really I always appreciate it कि जो colleges कर रहे हैं, that they are holding online webinars and they are having conferences, they are having workshops. बहुत अच्छा है, and I'm sure that your students are going to enjoy, because you are going to have a 5-day long Rasayanika. It is really, it will keep them busy, keep them away from wrong thoughts. And ये बड़ा अच्छा है कि during these COVID times you've learned to have 3 to 5, I think, आपके daily you are having. That is a very optimum time. बच्चे morning में classes attend करती हैं, they can always do that. And I mean, just appreciate that Delhi University had online exams, open book exams. वो कितने smoothly they ran. Glitches तो आई होंगी, but still we managed to do that. So जब adversity आती है, we always come to the front and we do something. We always find a way out. And I mean, I can only advise the young students कि आप learn करो, ये adversity है, पर learn करो how to make use of this time to learn a new art. मैंने I think बहुत जगह ये भी कहा है कि during this time जब complete lockdown था, people were doing courses, online courses. कहीं तो बिल्कुल free हैं, मतलब you can learn, you don't get a certificate if you don't pay, but you learn a new art, something that you have never learned before. Time था, बहुत सारे लोगों ने किया, and many of my students, some of them had submitted their thesis और कुछ करना नहीं था, तो I said कि why are you just wasting your time, आप कोई online course करो. Coursera had a number of courses, कोई नई programming language learn कर लो, learn some new skill. I myself learned, मेरे को अभी learn करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I'm in a few months I'm going to retire from the university. लेकिन I did because I love learning. I love learning a new art. So I mean, with that, I wish you luck for your 5-day Rasayanika, and I'm sure the students are going to enjoy all the 5 days. That you must have put up an excellent schedule for them. And thank you again to the college and Dr. Goswami for inviting me.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, if you permit, we have one video, just want to show. Then you can go. If you have. Okay. Radhika, kindly show one video.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, kindly watch this video. This is the theme of our Rasayanika 2021, made by my student.
Hello, Rohit. Long time to see you.
Hello, Samarth. How are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am fine too. Did you hear about the COVID-19 cases which are increasing day by day?
Yes, I heard about this.
Okay, as you know, COVID-19 is a pandemic disease. But if we take precautions, we can prevent from this disease.
Precautions? Which type of precautions we need to take which help us in prevention from COVID-19?
I will tell you which type of precautions help us in prevention from COVID-19. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Clean and disinfectant surfaces frequently, especially those which are regularly touched, such as doors, handles, phone screens and many more. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand sanitizer or wash them with soap and water. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. Cover your mouth with cloth mask when you go outside.
Thank you for the precautions. As you talk about hand sanitizer, do you know what is hand sanitizer? What are their key ingredients or how they work?
Yes, I know what is hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is a liquid or gel generally used to kill the vast majority of viruses, bacteria or microorganisms on the hands. But I don't know what are their key ingredients or how it works.
Okay, I will tell you what are their key ingredients or how they work.
Sure, why not?
The key ingredient in most hand sanitizer are alcohol. Chemically speaking, alcohol are organic molecules made up of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Propanol and isopropanol, which is also called isopropyl alcohol, are two alcohols that are common in disinfectant because they are highly soluble in water.
Okay, but only why alcohol is used as key ingredient?
There are different type of bacteria and viruses, and some type of them are more easily killed by alcohol. For example, Escherichia coli bacteria, which can cause foodborne illness and other infections, are very effectively killed by alcohol at concentration more than 60%. Many research studies found whether we are trying to kill bacteria or virus, an alcohol concentration of 60 or greater than this is indeed to be effective. Even a small amount of alcohol mixed with water help in killing the bacteria and viruses. That is why it is used as a main ingredient in most of the hand sanitizer.
Why hand sanitizer do not use pure alcohol?
Because pure alcohol is less effective in killing than alcohol with 60 to 90% concentration, as water is required for protein denaturation, which is impossible in pure alcohol. That is why their killing speed is decreasing. Another reason is it dry our skin out very quickly, which cause to become irritated. That might cause you to not sanitize your hand as frequently as needed. And to avoid this situation, many hand sanitizer contain emollients, which are mixtures that help soften and moisturize our skin.
Okay, now how hand sanitizer kill bacteria and viruses?
The compound N-propanol is the most commonly used alcohol in hand sanitizer because it is a biocide. It damages the related membrane of bacteria, uncoupling of mRNA and protein synthesis through effects on ribosome, which associated with protein denaturation, and it prevents the bacteria to increase their number by binary fission. For the viruses, the viral target of alcohol-based hand sanitizers are predominantly the viral envelope, if present, which is derived from host lipid envelope, the protein capsid, which contain and protect the genetic material. All the components which I mentioned before are necessary for the virus life cycle. If these components are destroyed or disturbed, then virus did not complete their life cycle. That means do not produce their copies in the host cell. But alcohol is not as effective against non-envelope viruses.
Okay, now I understand how it works. Thank you for this information.
Welcome. It's my pleasure to share this information with you.
हाँ 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 कल बंद रखो हाँ सोमवार को हाँ हाँ
Arkaja ma'am, are you there?
Okay, sorry, I was unmuted that time. I was saying something. I was just telling about the video. This video made by our student. This voice is totally the student's voice by using the applications. They are using the applications and dubbing these videos And just these kind of videos, I think this is very good for, just like people are from village side, and our population of India is just lot many population are basically from villagers, so they can easily understand these kind of corona pandemic, these kinds of problems, by dealing these kinds of problem in the video form, in the cartoon form. Like people cannot understand the chemical law, I think they can understand, they can remember this also. Like earlier what happened, people use the word like some word is there which is in English, but now people are using is just like a Hindi word, like a bucket, तो वो याद हो जाता है काम वालियों को, वैसे ये वर्ड भी विलेज में लोगों को याद हो जाएंगे, दिस आइसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहल सैनिटाइजर, these are the words, and they it goes far and wide as far as these kind of things are concerned. So this is our small effect. मतलब छोटी छोटी चीज करना चाहिए, वही काम आती है, बड़ी चीजें तो बहुत बड़ी चीजें हैं जो अभी कोरोना को डील नहीं कर पाई, तो हम तो बस ये शुरुआत कर सकते हैं कि लोगों को ये चीजें समझनी चाहिए, और समझने से चीजें जल्दी सॉल्व होंगी, ना कि उसको एक बहुत ही विकराल रूप देने से वो चीजें। और मन की शक्ति जैसा आपने कहा वो तो एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है, और इसको अगर हराना है हमें, तो हमें मजबूती के साथ लोगों को ये मैसेज कन्वे करना है कि डरने की बात नहीं है, दिन आएगा, सब ठीक होगा। इसलिए इसमें मैंने ये भी कहा है कि हमारा प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफलाइन होगा, इस होप के साथ कि ये हो पाएगा। एंड नाउ सर, नाउ यू से समथिंग टू माय स्टूडेंट रिगार्डिंग, might be sir is doing something.
Hello. Madam, namaskar, namaskar.
Kindly say something. Kindly say something about my student, because sir has done a lot of things of our college. We are sitting at home. One thing I just want to tell you, our principals daily going to college. He used to be there 9 to 6. We are at home. He is in college. That's it. I don't describe now much more about it. Everybody can easily understand. It goes without saying. Now, sir, you say something.
Thank you, madam. At the same time, I remind you, Professor Rita Kakkad, she has requested to go, so allow her to exit from the meeting. So she had some important meeting. Yeah, so you might have forgotten.
Okay. You allow, eh? Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. Now you can leave.
नमस्कार सभी को। और इससे
kindly open your video.
Am I audible? Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Let's.
Yes. नमस्कार सभी को, और at the same time I welcome you all, my young friends, to this Rashayanika, which is the annual chemistry festival every year. And this festival you have taken to a new level. So that is very heartening for me to see that this is happening on an online mode, that to say 5-day week. So it's a week-long different kind of a mixture of different events, innovations. So whatnot, everything you have put in place, the proper perspective. So at the outset, I would like to congratulate your head of the department, Dr. Arkita Goswami, and her team for checking out the plan and coming out in a very short notice to execute this. And students, as you know, the times are not good, but these times has also given us a lot of opportunity to innovate and to think differently, to have different type of solutions to the problems. And it has given us ample opportunities to experiment also. Even I do a lot of experiment during this time, and a lot of things which has happened, things are unfolding in a different way. New things are coming. So we don't know, earlier we used to have a very fixed kind of thing. So we know what I'm supposed to do in that kind of a circumstances or situation. How should I go? There is a copybook style for everything. But now things have become very, very situational. And so when things are situational, it depends on the situation and how you react. So as students of science, you are all students of science, we know. So you know it in a much better way how to react in a particular situation. And you should be prepared to provide a lot of solutions to the humankind also. And I'm happy to watch that video where that animation, where you are saying those things in a very animated way. So those kind of theme, solutions we can also provide to the society for a small problems. So that is when I was impressing on your teachers to come out with ideas, to invite ideas from all of you to bring out with small projects where we can, we can carry out with some solutions to the problems of the nearby area. Being students of chemistry, you know how to provide, different types of sanitized services at a very low cost, or maybe good, potable water and all packaging material. So all these are, these are the problems which is needed very much in the nearby areas. Coming out with good dyes also every day, nearby areas. I saw rickshaws full of jeans, trucks full of jeans, tempos full of jeans they are carrying. So they must be dying, a lot of chemical must be going, which is not good for our health. So being students of chemistry, you can bring out some alternative, dyeing mechanism where these kind of, where, because this is an industry in the nearby household areas. So you can provide them a solution. So once again, I won't take much time, but at the same time, I'm wishing luck to all of you for the different events. And I hope you will enjoy this festival. And at the same time, I also congratulate the team led by Dr. Orpika Goswami. Thank you. Namaskar.
सर एक चीज मुझे कहनी है, वो बच्ची का ये वीडियो था, मैं उसका नाम ले रही हूँ, नाम ले लिया था, आरुषि नाम है उसका. She said just kindly name, my name is Arushi. So Arushi will come tomorrow because this is the session for tomorrow. Today is the essay session. So that will be start by Radhika Gupta and next to so then she has done tremendous hard work for this video. This is very difficult. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Radhika, now you can continue with your slides.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. A very good afternoon to everyone. On the behalf of Department of Chemistry, Shamlal College, University of Delhi, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all in Rasainika 2021, the annual fest of Department of Chemistry, Shamlal College. The Department of Chemistry, Shamlal College, and I'm the event coordinator of today's event. Before we proceed further, I would like to welcome the patron and our respected principal, Professor Ravi Narayan Kar. And I also like to thank him for his constant support and resources which were required for organizing this event and for spending his valuable time with us. I also thank the convener of Rasainika 2021 and our TIC, Dr. Arkaja Goswami, for all her motivation and support during this event. Now, before we start our session, I would like to throw some light on Rasainika 2021. In this time of grave pandemic, this annual fest is being organized virtually for 1 week during 15th, that is from today till 20th April 2021. In this festival, each day will bring along new excitements and events in which various participants will be participating from various courses. For example, BSc Honours Chemistry and BSc Physical Sciences with chemistry as one of their core subjects. So as you all can see that today we have organized an essay writing competition. For the upcoming days, we will be seeing the students participating in creative animated cartoon video competition, which is on tomorrow. There will also be an online quiz competition and science exhibition. There will also be a Chem Talk competition, an analytical lab expo, an animated cartoon movie presentation, and also an e-poster competition. So you all must be wondering that how an essay writing competition can be organized on a virtual platform. So for this, we had chosen one of the subjects of global concern and interest, that is how chemistry is contributing in fighting against COVID-19. This topic was given to students, and surprisingly, many of the students showed remarkable interest and submitted their entries, which we will be showcasing today in this event. So to show that how talented and diverse our students are, we have selected a few students who will be sharing few highlights from their essay that they have submitted. Now, I suppose that after more than a year of struggling around this pandemic COVID-19, which is better termed as coronavirus disease 2019, it needs no introduction. In the race of fighting against this disease, chemistry has played and is also playing a significant role, be it the determination of molecular structure, that what actually the structure of coronavirus is, to the use of sanitizers, to the testing, and finally to the development of COVID-19 vaccine. So in this event, rather than discussing and listening to the well-known speakers, let's give the students the opportunity to express what they think about today's event, which is how chemistry is contributing in fighting against COVID-19. So with these words, I would first like to invite Abhishek and Prachi. I will be showcasing their essay and they will be speaking about the highlights of their essay. So Prachi and Abhishek, they both are from BSc Chemistry Honors second year students, and Abhishek will be speaking about their essay. So Abhishek, are you there? Abhishek? Abhishek, are you there?
Radhika, he is replying in the message only.
But he has to speak up. Is he muted or what?
Maybe.
Abhishek.
I'll try.
Abhishek Sharma asked to unmute. Okay.
Okay. You asked to unmute and then he would be able to unmute, I think.
Am I audible?
Yes, Abhishek.
Yes, Abhishek.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Abhishek Sharma from Chemistry Honors second year. So I welcome you all to this wonderful event, Rasayanika, organized by our prestigious institute, Shyamlal College. So today, me and Prachi, we both are going to represent our views on how chemistry is contributing in fighting against COVID-19. The new coronavirus was identified for the first time by November 2019 at Wuhan city in China. The virus has been spread around the world, leading the coronavirus disease 19 COVID-19 to already in February 2020. Chemistry is frequently termed the central science. As such, chemistry played a vital role in understanding everything from viral structure to pathogenesis, isolation of vaccine and therapies, understanding and controlling the spread of coronavirus. Research and development has a critical role to play too. Chemistry-based research institutes and companies of all sizes are refocusing their efforts toward discovering more about the virus, developing improved testing technologies, and eventually creating a vaccine. Chemistry is essential at every step of our response to the virus. Chemists are helping to keep the lights on literally. There are plenty of scientists whose jobs keep energy and electricity flowing to our houses, allowing those of us at home to communicate with distant colleagues and loved ones, educate the children with online learning support, and of course find light relief during COVID-19 pandemic. Early on in the pandemic, efforts focused on immediate needs of frontline healthcare workers as Professor Martin Burke was involved with a team of engineers, physicians, researchers, and designers from the university and from health centers who developed and launched production of a face shield for health professionals responding to COVID-19 cases. In Spain, Italy, and India, chemical companies supported hospitals, ensuring a regular supply of new resources or to set up emergency room with medical equipment devoted to infectious disease. Many factors or reasons for using chemicals like alcohol, ethanol in sanitizers to eliminate the virus because A certain percentage in a mix with water, alcohol can disrupt the lipid layer, but it also denatures the proteins by disrupting the hydrogen bonding, which give them their specific shape and no renders them ineffective. Glycerin is often added to both soaps and sanitizers to counteract this side effect. Glycerin is a humectant. It builds a shallow water around it and osmotic pressure drives more water into the locality. The virus responsible for coronavirus pandemic is no longer infectious on copper within 4 hours, whereas it can survive on plastic surface for 72 hours. Copper has many applications in hospitals and other places where germs are likely to spread. Copper can kill virus and other germs by disrupting the protective layers of the organism and interfering with its vital process. Thus, chemistry contributed a lot as the year 2020 and 2021 has been the year of science, when the best of humanity has shone through the gloom that descended upon us due to the COVID-19 pandemic and helped the globe to fight against it. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Abhishek and Prachi. You have written a beautiful essay and demonstrated and presented that how actually isopropyl alcohol is acting as a sanitizer and helping
One thing I just wanted to tell, Radhika, one thing I just wanted to tell, this is a wonderful explanation, what Abhishek and what is the other name? Prachi, right?
Prachi, yes, ma'am.
Both the students have explained so well. But
Yes, ma'am.
one thing I just wanted to tell you, if they will prepare in the form of slides, then it will be much better then. That's the thing. Because wherever they want to go, they have to present in the form of slides, whether it's an essay or which anything else is concerned, right? So they can write like in form of slides also, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am. Yes,
just
ma'am.
convey to others. If they have the slide, that is good for them also. In near future, they are going for competition as far as essays concerned. And right now there is a situation of COVID-19. Most probably they have to go online competition as essay and all the things are concerned. And you have to make the slide. It could be much presentable form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's wonderful.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your suggestion, ma'am. Actually, we had organized an essay writing competition and students were informed in a very short notice of time to prepare this thing. So I would definitely recommend from next event onwards that they try to present their thoughts in the form of a presentation.
No problem. So
Yes, ma'am.
kindly do because time is very short. Kindly
Yes, ma'am.
Get the chance to student to speak and say something. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I would now request Vivek from BSc Physical Science first year to please share his views. Vivek.
Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
First of all, very good afternoon to all of you. Now I'm going to start my essay, How Chemistry is Contributing in Fighting Against COVID-19. So chemistry work against COVID-19. Of course, research and development has a critical role to play to chemistry-based research institutions and companies of all sizes are refocusing their efforts towards discovering more about the virus, developing improved testing technologies, and eventually creating a vaccine. Many offer services or devices that already use cutting-edge chemical science to measure smaller samples or achieve higher throughput. Chemistry is essential at every step of our response to the virus. Beyond research, technicians are providing the specialist skill needed to run tests, maintain equipments, and manage laboratory supplies, including the donations of chemicals for hand and safety equipments that are going straight to doctors and nurses on the front line. Chemical impacts in fighting COVID-19. The coronavirus pandemic has been accompanied by an increase in chemical exposures due to more frequent and widespread use of disinfectants, hand sanitizers and cleaning products and PPE, personal protective equipments, as well as uncontrolled applications of Other measures such as non-prescribed medications, improper and unsafe use of these products can lead to toxic effects in people that can be as dangerous as the virus itself. The webinar aims to provide information about chemical impact from different aspects of COVID-19 response, the regulatory and other measures taken to prevent or mitigate these, and to flag up potential environmental impact of COVID-19 response measures. Disinfectants against coronavirus. Disinfectants with use of chemicals and sterilization methods, the common practice to remove pathogenic microorganisms. Disinfection is a procedure that involves the use of chemical agents to eliminate virtual or recognize pathogenic microbes, but not necessarily all types present on inanimate object. Sterilization is the complete elimination or destructions of all forms of microbial life. It is mostly carried out in healthcare facilities by using physical or chemical methods. Steam under pressure, dry heat, UV light, silane oxides, gas, hydrogen peroxide gas, plasma, and liquid chemicals are the principal sterilizing agents used in healthcare facilities. In addition, through cleaning is also essential before disinfections or and sterilizations. Toxic effects and disinfectants. As COVID-19 spreads across globe, the increased use of disinfectants might lead to worldwide secondary disasters in human health and ecosystem. Extensive research and has been done previously at exposures to most frequent used disinfectants compound, that is quets, sodium hypochlorite, hydrogen peroxides, alcohols, and glutaldehydes. All of these were linked with an increased risk of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, asthma, and eye irritations on health workers and individuals. When used regularly, chemical residue left on a surface can become airborne and inhaled, and often contribute to poor indoor air quality with consequence of for asthmatics, allergic peoples. Now, what is the overview of this? Say, chemistry play an important role against this COVID-19 pandemic, whether it is disinfectant or vaccine of this virus. Chemistry help us in all checkpoints, and thanks to our doctors, scientists who make this possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek. We also thank our doctors and scientists who have made this possible and to fight against this global pandemic COVID-19. Thank you, Vivek. I
just wanted to add one thing. Because whatever we are doing in a very short notice. As far as is concerned, Radhika has already told about this, and just I was thinking about to convey one message to all the students. As far as this essays and everything is concerned, when you are reading anything here, so you have to give something of your own also. The good thing about your speaking is whatever you are feeling, you have to have few words of your own also. It seems to be wonderful, because when you are reading anything, it seems to be that you are not in the eye to eye contact of the people, so it not seems to be good, right? So try to speak few words, few sentences without seeing your paper, without your original thoughts, what you think about these are the research, these are the essays, but I think so. These kind of a statement make good essays, right? Next.
Yes, thank you, ma'am, for your suggestion. I think the students will definitely implement it in the future events. I would now invite Nidhi Malik. She's from BSc Physical Science first year. And I now request her to express her essay.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Nidhi. You are audible.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I, Nidhi Malik, a student of BSc Physical Science with Chemistry of the prestigious institution Shamlal College, to present my views on the topic, how chemistry is contributing in fighting against COVID-19. As we all know, scientists are constantly discovering new compounds orderly arranging the facts about them, trying to explain with the existing knowledge, organizing to modify the earlier views or evolve theories for explaining the newly observed facts. The World Health Organization has declared the coronavirus disease 2019 as pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic is the defining global health crisis of our time and greatest challenge we have ever faced. Consider chemistry among the most useful of sciences and big with future discoveries with the utility and safety of humans. The advent of COVID-19 has further complicated the situation and by depressing and disrupting existing supply chain. In the darkest hours, the pandemic rages on and aggregate cases follow up an exponential curve of increasing infection. Researchers in the Department of Chemistry are applying their expertise to this healthcare crisis in variety of ways, from early efforts to design and produce protective equipment for frontline workers to long-term efforts like developing more accurate, widely deployable testing methods to better detect COVID-19 and research focused on stopping the virus and future coronavirus pathogens altogether. Events such as current novel coronavirus outbreak highlight the essentiality of basic research funding so that comprehensive resource exists when a rapid response is required. Research and development has a critical role to play. Chemistry-based research institutions and companies of all sizes are refocusing their efforts toward discovering more about the virus, developing improved testing technologies, and eventually creating a vaccine. Chemistry is essential at every step of our response to virus. Beyond research, technicians are providing the specialist skill needed to run tests, maintain equipment, and manage laboratory supplies, including the donation of chemicals for hand sanitizer and safety equipment that are going straight to doctors and nurses on frontline. Chemical engineers have even played a part when it comes to fighting against COVID-19. They have played a part in trying to figure out what environment the coronavirus can survive in. The biggest thing is they have expanded their research because of the pandemic. There are also many thousands of teachers still working hard to give their students an inspiring chemistry education, whether it is in classrooms or remotely. Using the latest technology and some innovative thinking, they're ensuring that despite a massively disrupted school routine, there will still be students going on to study and work in chemistry in the years to come. Modern chemistry, with its far-reaching generalization and hypothesis, is a fine example of how far the human mind can go in exploring the unknown beyond the limits of human senses. Together, the whole chemical science community is contributing to the fight against COVID-19. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nidhi.
Wonderful. The way she has spoken, that was really good. And she is not totally reading the content. Whatever she is speaking, she has put her original thoughts also. It's good. It's a kind of debate also. Like she could be a good debater as well as this essay writing. Okay.
Thank you, Nidhi. Now I invite Sunesh from BSc Physical Science first year. Sunesh. Is Sunesh here? Yes.
They can wind up in short also, Radhika.
Yes, ma'am.
They wind up because when they put their own content, then it will be shortened and we can easily understand also. See
yes,
how we can segregate first, second, and third, right?
Yes,
so this is the only way. Otherwise, it will just like OBE, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, Sunesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yes, you can start.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Respected principal, sir, head of department, patrons, teacher in charges, teachers, and all the listeners present here. I am Sunesh Kumar Jha, first year BSc Physical Science with Chemistry of Shyamlal College to present my views on the topic, how chemistry is contributing in fighting against COVID-19. We all have been affected by current COVID-19 pandemic. However, the impact of the pandemic and its consequences are felt differently depending on our status as individuals and as members of society. While some try to adapt to working online, others have no choice but to be exposed to the virus while keeping society functioning. Chemistry has a key role in understanding everything from viral structure to pathogens, from precautions to cures, from its origin to its end. From day one, chemists, scientists, researchers, and healthcare workers, everyone have been giving their best in their respective sectors to fight against the virus. Many healthcare workers, researchers, scientists, and chemists lost their lives during this pandemic, and still the number is increasing every day. Now the cure and vaccine have been put forward by the chemists, and hopefully this will bring a full stop to this situation. This whole time, chemistry has been contributing in many ways. There are plenty of teachers, scientists, and workers whose job keep energy and electricity flowing to our houses, allowing those of us at home to communicate with distant colleagues, loved ones, educate children with our online support, and find light relief in this pandemic. They're also keeping water flowing in and out of our own homes and hospitals. Science technicians are carefully monitoring and managing a clean, abundant water supply that supports everything: research, healthcare, and daily life. Chemistry is the key at every step of our response to the virus. Beyond research, technicians are providing the specialist skills needed to run tests, maintain equipment, and manage laboratory supplies for sanitizers, safety equipment that are used on the front lines by healthcare workers. Various teams of engineers, physicians, researchers, and designers from worldwide have developed and launched production of face shields for healthcare professionals responding to COVID-19 cases. Their efforts produced N95 respirator shields, intubation shields, disposable and reusable gowns, and masks, all of which were manufactured and delivered to healthcare workers. In addition to the current COVID-19 strategies of increasing testing capabilities and practicing social distancing, it has been imperative to develop therapeutic strategies as well, like drugs that can help treat patients and vaccines that can ultimately prevent the disease caused by the virus. A webinar was also held by the WHO to provide information about chemical impacts of COVID-19 response. The discussion in the webinar accounted that the coronavirus pandemic have been accompanied by an increase in chemical exposures due to more frequent and widespread use of disinfectants, hand sanitizers, and cleaning products and PPEs, as well as uncontrolled application of other measures such as non-prescribed medications. Improper and unsafe use of these products can lead to toxic effects in people that can be as dangerous as the virus itself. The webinar aimed to provide information about chemical impacts arising from different aspects of COVID-19 response, the regulatory and other measures taken to prevent or mitigate these, and to flag up potential environment impacts of COVID-19 response measures. Chemistry has a main role in prevention of spread of the virus. Hand sanitizers are in great demand since the pandemic has begun. To sanitize your hands, soap is great where there is an easy access to water and a sink. But in the absence of accessibility of water, the right choice is sanitizers. In supermarkets, banks, etc., the hand sanitizers assume importance. The main ingredient in hand sanitizers is ethanol, the isopropyl alcohol is surgical spirit. But its concentration in the sanitizers is very important. To kill the virus, it has to be over 90%. Surgical spirit is mostly made up of ethanol. Ethanol has been shown to kill coronavirus in as little as 30 seconds. Like bleach, the alcohol destroys the protein and ribonucleic acids that the virus is made up of. Another area where chemists have contributed is the development of antiviral drugs. Small molecule drugs have been game changers in the fight against these viruses. This all time, chemists have contributed very significantly, not least by synthesizing the necessary amount of primers and DNTPs for test kits. But there are countless contributions, whether it is instructions for producing buffers required for test kits or simple face masks for protection against infectious droplets. Chemists are resourceful and scientists are exceptionally great in their contribution. They have been working so hard to help out everyone to fight COVID-19. Due to this pandemic being so large, many in the field of chemistry have been working non-stop and out of their comfort zone to help several others. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunesh.
Radhika?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly say everybody just open their videos so they can, Gaurav can take their photos also. Because they have to open their videos.
Okay. Ma'am, so we are doing it now? Gaurav sir is taking
No.
Okay, so I request everyone to please open their videos for just a few seconds. Don't worry. So sir can take some pictures. It will be good for us.
Kindly open your videos.
Everybody open your video.
Deepmala, Shweta,
Vivek,
Prachi,
Ayushi
Harsh,
Jain,
Priya,
Tushar,
Ayushi Jain.
Harsh, Prachi.
Kindly open your video.
Please open your video. Okay, Harsh. Tushar Chaudhary, Prachi Gupta, please open your video.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, Gaurav, it's over.
Ma'am, 1 minute, last photo, please.
Okay.
1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Now, Radhika, you can start your session.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I now invite Ashi from BSc Physical Science first year. Ashi. Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, Ashi, you are audible.
Good afternoon to our honorable principal, sir, respected teachers, and my fellow mates. I am here to share my thoughts about coronavirus disease, how chemistry helps in preventing us from it. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate symptoms, and some people might run out of their lives even. Many in the chemistry community are making their contribution to the global fight against coronavirus by staying safety at home. Many of those were able to work from home. Many of the chemists are helping to keep the lights on literally. There are plenty of scientists which are developing equipments to provide energy and electricity. During this coronavirus pandemic, which is much need, is our entertainment platforms and our study which should go on. So many scientists contributed in that. Chemistry is even contributing in that, help us in continuing our study without even visiting to our colleges or schools. Chemistry even helped in developing equipments for testing coronavirus, or even providing people medication. Many lab technicians studied the coronavirus. Corona. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Ashi.
Yes.
Yes, Ashi.
Many lab technicians studies a coronavirus structure, which helped us to prevent, which helped us to prevent ourselves from this virus, and by studying it, they finally made a vaccine, which help us, which may not prevent the disease from again attacking a person, but it may provide immunity to a person which is non-COVID or already have been infected with COVID. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ashi. I now invite Anshu and Vishal. They both have written the essay, and I think Anshu will be presenting the views. They both are from BSc Physical Science first year. Anshu? Yes.
Good evening, respected ma'am, and my dear friends. So today I am going to speak on the topic COVID-19. Am I presenting it?
Yes, I'll be presenting. Give me a minute. Yes.
Okay. So I would like to speak about the importance.
Your voice is very low, Anshu. Please keep the mic towards your mouth.
Now is it audible, ma'am?
Better, but not very properly.
Okay. So today I
Yeah.
will speak about the importance of chemistry in fighting against COVID-19. So, if we start about speaking about coronavirus, it is an infectious disease which have been discovered newly.
Still, we are unable to listen you. And
Ma'am, is it now audible properly?
yeah.
Okay. So I will start speaking about coronavirus. It is a very infectious disease which have been spread newly about 1.5 years back. So if we start about speaking about coronavirus, we all know that scientists are putting a very concerned efforts as to how we can tackle with it every day. So a general perception is that coronavirus can live on surface for up to 9 days and can also survive in the air for very few hours. But it spreads primarily through droplets containing virus particles of saliva and also discharge of fluids from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. And the virus at times land on the surfaces also. And as it lands on the surfaces, if we touch our hand, we can also get contaminated with that virus. So there are various methods through which germ can be destroyed. We can destroy the germs using hand sanitizers, soap, water, or maintaining social distancing and a physical contact with people. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the methods which are used and the importance of chemistry as to how does chemistry play an important role from protecting us from coronavirus. Coronavirus has been caused by a virus, which is COVID 19. It refers to a novel virus, which can be seen in humans, and it is also a very deadly virus. We can call we can call it a family virus because once a people get infected in a family, there are very much chances that majority people in the family can get coronavirus because we get to know about the coronavirus symptoms 2 to 3 days later. So its outbreak is very deadly. Initially, the coronavirus nowadays is a little bit mild, but it can also lead to death of many people whose immune system is not weak. Therefore, we have to look for immediate methods as to how can we stop this virus from spreading. Therefore, there are scientists are continuously working about the vaccination program as well as to how quickly can the vaccine be developed and people can stay safe. So, outside our body, there are ways through which the viruses can be destroyed without any contact. So, the chemistry plays an important role, and we have to understand as to how this virus can be, how does this virus works, and how the chemicals protect us and also destroys the virus. So, the outside layer of the virus is made up of fat molecules, and there is a possible target of destroying the virus. This layer is made up of genetic material. So, if we study about the survival, there are many studies as to we can investigate how the coronavirus stays. But the recent studies have shown that coronavirus survive the longest on the stainless steel and plastic, that is up to 9 days. So we can get coronavirus. We have to stay safe. So we do not have to panic or worry so much. It can also stay on materials for hours and minutes as well. So SARS-CoV-19, as per the Bayesian model, have been given below as to how much extent the virus is deadly. Please scroll. Okay, so now let's study about the evolution of the decade rates. The pandemic which have been created due to coronavirus is named as Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus Syndrome Covirus 2, SARS-CoV-2, formerly called H-COVID-19, which was emerged in Wuhan, China in the late 2019. The aerosol and the surface of stability of this virus is compared with SARS-CoV-1, the most so closely related human coronavirus. Okay, so the data also consists of 10 experimental conditions which have been involved, namely aerosol, plastic, stainless steel, copper, and cardboard. So if we estimate the decades as to this model shows as to how much, to which extent is the virus deadly. And the new virus, which is the SARS-CoV-2 virus, it approximately takes 5.6 hours on stainless steel and 6.8 hours on plastic. So we really need to tackle up and be careful as to how we can protect us from this virus. So there are many methods as to how can we protect, and chemistry plays an important role. So the first mantra that we should always remember is wash our hands for minimum 20 seconds. because we should wash our hands with soap, and soap contains molecules which have two ends, hydrophilic and hydrophobic part. So we can protect ourselves by using soap. The World Health Organization has issued guidelines as to how can we use sanitizer to arrest the virus spread from the assured safety, effectiveness, and security of humans. Now let us study about soap and water. Soap at the first place can remove the virus and also defend us, as soap has chemically distinct parts, hydrophilic, which loves water, and the tail part, which is hydrophobic, that hates water. So the head part of the soap is mixed with water, while the tail can interact with the molecule like lipids, and lipids are biological molecules. So the coronavirus membrane is made up of lipid molecules. The tails of the molecule can break interactions between lipid and coronavirus. So now let's study about the surgical spirit. So surgical spirit is basically a alcohol ethanol usage. Ethanol has been proven that it can kill coronavirus in the minimum as 30 seconds, which is very good for us. And like bleach, alcohol also destroys the protein, and so it can help us to stay safe from this virus. Now, let us study about the sanitizers. Soap, if we use soap, we always need water and a sink with the soap. But we cannot, the soap and water and the sink is not everywhere available. That's why there is an alternative that is hand sanitizer, which is easily available in markets, banks, etc. There, everywhere we find the hand sanitizers being standing. Okay, so now the enhanced sanitizer, there is alcohol. The main ingredient is ethanol, the isopropyl alcohol, but the concentration of this chemical is very important, as it can only kill the virus if we have 90 to 99% of alcohol or ethanol in our hand sanitizers. So there was a joint study by Germany and Switzerland wherein they said that coronavirus is sensitive to alcohol than the deadly coronavirus, SARS and MERS, and it can almost kill the ethanol concentration by 30%. Therefore, hand washing with soap, water, alcohol, sanitizers can destroy the virus. Therefore, the hard surfaces, there are surfaces where virus is still there. So even on the surfaces, we can use the alcohols and sanitizers to destroy them. Alcoholic sanitizer made up of ethanol. Then comes the bleach method. The bleach is a very active ingredient. It is made up of sodium hydrochloride and is very effective in killing virus. It can clean the surface area. We have to apply bleach for 10 to 15 minutes, and it can wipe off with a clean cloth. The virus will be removed and it will die there and then. So this is also a very useful substance and a blueprint for making viruses more, can kill virus with more effectiveness. Now, last comes the conclusion. So India has a huge population. It can take many years to provide vaccination to people. That's why it is very necessary for us to use the sanitizers and soap and wearing masks to protect from viruses. Therefore, the scientists are doing very possible methods and advising us to use masks, sanitizers, soaps, alcohol, maintaining social distancing and physical contact. So, following these preventive measures, save yourself, save others' life from pandemic. During the crisis of uncertain times, stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Anshu. You have provided such a beautiful details of how disinfectants, various kind of disinfectants can be used. So now I invite Harsh Verma to share his views. Harsh.
Am I audible?
Yes, Harsh, you are audible.
Ma'am, share to the mic.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today, the topic of essay is same as everyone's, that is contribution of chemistry in fight against COVID-19. COVID-19, whose scientific name is SARS-CoV-2, has been spreading globally since late 2019. With active cases above 138 million and 3 million dead, it is one of the worst pandemic humankind has ever faced. But having developed science like chemistry, we have been able to fight it and survive. In my essay, I have briefly explained some of the ways in which
Your voice has gone.
Yes, Harsh, you are not audible, Harsh. Harsh, are you there?
Might be he has lost his internet connection.
Yes, ma'am.
There
Probably.
is connection problem. I think so.
Okay. Okay, maybe ma'am here we can take him later. I now invite Yogita. Yogita, are you there? Yes, Yogita is there. Yogita? Yes, Yogita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can present. Maybe we can take Harsh later because his connection, I think, has lost.
Radhika,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
just specify times for them also.
Yes. Yogita, you have just 4 minutes. You can express whatever you want to.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please.
We all have been affected by the current COVID-19 pandemic. However, the impact of the pandemic and its consequences are felt differently depending on our status as individuals and as members of society. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus has only been around for a few months, and so scientists are putting concerted effort to know much about it, and more is being learned every day. General perception is that coronavirus live on surfaces for up to 9 days and survive in the air for a few hours. It spreads primarily through droplets containing virus particles of saliva or discharge of fluid from nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes, and the virus sometimes land on surfaces. Hands touch many surfaces and get contaminated with the viruses. The hands can transfer the virus to eyes, nose, or mouth to enter body and make sick and result rapid spread of infectious coronavirus. Keeping the hands germ-free either through the use of hand sanitizers, soap, or water, and social physical distancing are perceived to be some of the important answers to preventing the spread of the virus. Many in the chemistry community are making their contribution to the global fight against coronavirus by staying safely at home. Many of those will be able to work from home, and many others, often those designated as key workers by government, are going into their labs, offices, and other workplaces to carry on essential work. Chemists are helping to keep the lights on literally. There are plenty of scientists whose job keep energy and electricity flowing to our houses, allowing those of us at home to communicate with distant colleagues and loved ones, educate our children with online learning support, and of course, find light relief. They are also keeping water flowing in and out of our homes and hospitals. Science technicians are carefully monitoring and managing a clean and abundant water supply that supports everything: research, healthcare, and daily life. Research and development has a critical role to play too. Chemistry-based research institutions and companies of all sizes are refocusing their efforts towards discovering more about the virus, developing improved testing technologies, and eventually creating a vaccine. Many offer services or devices that already use cutting-edge chemical science to measure smaller samples or achieve higher throughput. Chemistry is essential at every step of our response to the virus. Beyond the research, technicians are providing the specialist skills needed to run tests, maintain equipment, and manage laboratory supplies, including the donations of the chemicals for hand and safety equipment that are going straight to doctors and nurses on the front line. There are also many thousands of teachers still working hard to give their students an inspiring chemistry education, whether it is in classrooms or remotely. Using the latest technology and some innovative thinking, they are ensuring that despite a massively disrupted school routine, there will still be students going on to study and work in chemistry in the years to come. Thank you, ma'am.
Harsh, Yogita, you
Yes,
present so well. I think you have opened your video, and the way you are presenting your slides and whatever is written material and whatever is spoken material, that is entirely different. And you present so well. At least you dare to open your video and speak something. It's good. At this stage, I must appreciate this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, Radhika, next.
Yes, ma'am. Now I invite Sonu from BSc Honors Chemistry first year. Sonu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sonu. So,
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, beta.
Yes, Sonu, please speak up.
Ma'am, I want to say something about how chemistry is contributing in fight against COVID-19. We all know chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the properties, function, structure, color, and nature and uses of chemical in our daily life or industrial applications like petrol, common example, or biogas, or CS3 methane, which we use as domestic essentials because it produces and left other product. It is very useful to make food. Chemistry is the branch of science. It is very important to study and to know about environment, reaction process, chemical exchange, chemical interactions, which is generally seen in plants, animals, and non-living things also. Other than physics, maths, biology, chemistry is not a subject to contain a lot of information for better life. Without chemistry, our life is waste. If we don't know how deal with problems in life related to chemistry, take an example. Rural person lives in his her village. If he she don't know how make food, first aiding, and don't know how chemistry works, then this means she takes his her life in danger. This means chemistry is most important thing in our daily life to treat himself, herself, to study the property of bacteria, viruses, protozoa, algae. We need to study the chemical structure of their DNA and their physical structure. This leads to study the possibility to define their nature on human and on nature also. To define their structure, we use electroscope. Because of their size, we cannot see them with naked eyes. Just like COVID-19 virus, its size is approximately 300 nanometer. Like we all know, only organic compound made by covalent bonding, but other than organic compound like ionic compounds, those have ionic bonding, which leads to the ionic compounds are more comfortable in ionic compounds. You say in your daily life, nail paint can only remove by the use of thinner, which comes in ketone group. Now take a look on alcoholic group, which contains molecules in their compound. They have tendency to reduce itself and oxidize other. Hence, we use alcohol as a cleaner generally. People use depends upon petrol, diesel, but due to increase in prices of petrol, we will use alcohol as a fuel. But it safety about but it is not possible yet because alcohol can be used in bad ways. If we think about coronavirus, how chemistry used as a weapon, first is that to take test of coronavirus to take sample of mucus or fluid in your nose, and then PCR machine which used as DNA study. Then after match the molecule to the structure of COVID-19, we get result as negative or positive manner. This leads to us precautions and safety about pandemic. When virus attack on blood cells, it bind to the blood cell and regulate it. Whatever it want, it use cell as a slave to produce other viruses. and then cycle runs continuously, and at last a lot of numbers of viruses results infection and then death ultimately.
Thank you, Sonu. I appreciate your efforts. We all appreciate your efforts. Okay, so is Harsh has joined? Has Harsh joined again? Yes, yes. Okay, so now we listen to Harsh. Harsh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harsh. Today, topic of my essay is same as everyone's, that is contribution of chemistry in fight against COVID-19. COVID-19, whose scientific name is SARS-CoV-2, has been spreading globally since 2019. With cases above 138 million and 3 million dead, it is one of the worst pandemic humankind has ever faced. But having developed sciences like chemistry, we have been able to fight it and survive. In my essay, I have briefly explained some of the many ways in which chemistry as a subject has been our weapon against COVID-19. Firstly, we have been able to determine time of survival of virus on surfaces of different objects, as shown in the topmost figure in the left-hand side. Then we have action of soap on virus, which you can see in the illustration, tears the outside fatty layer, in the process killing it. Next, we have the picture of hands, which shows the effect of sanitizers on virus on our hand in black light, which is UVA light. Alcohol sanitizers also dissolve outside fatty layer and destroy viruses, protein, and RNA. Below this is the action of bleach in destroying virus. It is very effective at cleaning hard surfaces. After this, the chemistry of rapid diagnostic test is explained. Most important process going on is tagging of virus with gold nanoparticle, which turns red to confirm presence of virus. Now concluding the essay, chemistry is playing a crucial role in fields like medical, sanitization, hygiene, etc., and is essential at every step of our response to the virus. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harsh. You have really made a beautiful.
Radhika, one thing I just wanted to tell you. Have you seen the changes after 4 and 5 slide? Being a teacher, what we have to do? Simply, we have given one statement regarding their videos, their body language, their reading pattern, how they can change their reading pattern. You are saying within a short period of time, now within a minute, within a 15 minutes, students has changed their modus operandi, right? They start opening their videos, right? They are not reading the material, what they have written. They are speaking by themselves. So I'm just letting you know how intelligent students are nowadays. Being a teacher, it's our responsibility just to motivate them. They are thousand times ahead from us. That's the thing. And you have seen the practical example right now. Within a 15 minutes, they have changed all the things. Whatever I have guided them time to time, without thinking next time, they applied now. This is the big thing. That's why I'm saying कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया, लेकिन एक चीज फिर यहाँ मुझे मिल गई. कितने change, now how they can change themselves. They are so fast. They can do miracles. Still, I just want to say every student is a wonder child nowadays just because of the internet. They simply need corrections. Mild correction can be the boon for a student. That's I wanted from you also, from me also. We all are teachers. That's why I'm saying I'll listen each and every student. Now, thank you so much.
Thank you for your kind.
Yeah, yourself, because this is your first. I know that you have just joined and this is your first assignment. Yeah, I really appreciate your effort. For
Thank
the
you
past
so much,
2
ma'am.
years we are teaching and we have done so many things, so kind of expertise we have. So it's easy for us. But this is the assignment for you people, and you have taken as a challenge, and you have done so much hard work within a week. I have seen all of you called me, calling the concerned person, calling the student. Ajay is sitting over there. He is in constant touch with the student and telling me that these are, even if problem is with you, lekin he is solving the problem. I have to solve the problem of Radhika. I have to solve the problem of whatever problem he has found in you, he is continuously solving. Even problem faced by me, he is also solving those problems. No, internet we can do like this. And same you did, right? And one thing I just wanted to tell you, Radhika ko aaj bukhar hai 102. अब फिर भी मैंने उसकी सर्विसेज ले ली. देखो, मैंने कहा राधिका, या नहीं, उसने कहा. और स्टूडेंट, आपको देखना चाहिए कि आपकी टीचर को फीवर था और वो यहाँ बैठी हैं, 2 घंटे हो रहे हैं, और उन्होंने कांस्टेंट, पता नहीं चला किसी को कि उसकी तबीयत खराब है एक्सेप्ट मी, और मैंने भी नहीं बताया. क्यों? कहते ना, अ मैन एक्सक्यूजेस अक्यूजेस हिमसेल्फ. तो आज की वॉरियर तो राधिका हुई, दोनों ही वे में. ठीक है. और मैं बहुत बहुत थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगी आप सभी ऑर्गेनाइजर जो हैं, अजय, रेशु, ओमपाल, युक्ति, दीपमाला, निर्जरा, राधिका, और अपनी हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट मैम, जिन्होंने इतना अपना कीमती वक्त हमें दिया, प्रिंसिपल सर जिनका कांस्टेंट सपोर्ट रहा. ये सारा का सारा जितना मैनेजमेंट है, जूम, और आप देख रहे हैं ये सारा मेरा कॉलेज ऑपरेट कर रहा है. वी हैव जूम. Earlier I don't know about we have purchased Zoom, so we have Zoom, so now we are doing everything on Zoom platform. And now if any student want to say something, कह सकता है. फिर अब wind up करना राधिका.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. You are free to speak anything if anyone wants to give his or her feedback or anything about today's session or anything that can be improved in the further sessions. All of you are most welcome to share your views. Anyone, anything, in any language, you all are welcome to, we all are here to listen to you. Anyone, anything, any good or bad thing, we are ready to listen anything. Okay, don't worry. There are further days also. Yes, there are upcoming days also. I think we will be all meeting in upcoming events also from tomorrow till 20th, and the results of this session will be announced at the last day by ma'am.
And I just want to tell Ajay, just brief what you are going to show them tomorrow.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. And good evening, all of you. My audio is not there?
Right, yes. Now you are audible.
Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, all of my colleagues, those who have joined and organized this program. Tomorrow, especially, we will talk about, or we will discuss the animated cartoon videos. One of them we have played today, but more than that, like video, we have many videos that are most effective. Actually, students are working hard. They are trying to make video much effective by using various applications. So some students have prepared a very short video, like 2 minutes video or 3 minutes video. I have asked them to prepare a complete like 4 or 5 minutes video. That's why I played only this video today from Ayushi Jain. She's from Chemistry Honors. But tomorrow we will have many more videos. Those are very beautiful. And this was also very good. But tomorrow we will have very good videos also. Those would be very effective. So we can further plan many more things by these animated videos also. So tomorrow we will have a very effective session with the animated videos and many more things. Yes, ma'am. So Radhika, is there anyone remaining that
No.
Okay, all the essays are completed. Okay.
Yes, we have selected few of them and they all have presented it. I think then by this I end this meeting, and I really thank all of you. I really thank Dr. Arkaja ma'am for her constant support and guidance throughout this event. I also thank my fellow colleagues for being there, for supporting, and I also thank the participants, all the participants. We are very happy to hear all of you, and I think we'll be meeting tomorrow at the same time. I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.
गौरव सर
जी सर, एंड करें?
अभी
Yes,
मेरे
yes.
को आप एंड कर दो, बट एक काम है मेरे
जी,
को
बताइए।
जैसे राधिका भी तुम शेयर कर रही थी, तो तुम्हारे पास शेयर करने के लिए स्क्रीन शेयर करने का ऑप्शन आ रहा था या कुछ और शेयर किया तुमने, वीडियो चलाया था जब?
ओके, सो कुछ नहीं सर, मैंने तो बस शेयर किया था और उसके बाद वहीं पर आपके पास सारी विंडोज जो भी ओपन होती हैं, तो आप उसी के ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे तो वही वाली स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट हो जाएगी।
नॉर्मल ऑप्शन आता है अजय सर, कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है हाई। नॉर्मल ऑप्शन, आप शेयर स्क्रीन पे जाएंगे, वहाँ एक आपको विंडो दिखेगी, उस पे आपने जो है नॉर्मल डॉक्यूमेंट है, कुछ भी आपने वीडियो चलानी है तो आपको वहीं पे शो हो जाएगी। सबसे
सर,
इजी
वो
तरीका होता है
सर, ये हो नहीं रहा है इसमें। एक्चुअली मेरे पास केवल एक ऑप्शन आ रहा है, व्हाइट बोर्ड।
हाँ, व्हाइट बोर्ड आ रहा है ना, मैं आपको बताता हूँ उसका। सर, आप इस टाइम लैपटॉप से चला रहे हो ना?
हाँ हाँ जी सर।
इसका एक यही ऑप्शन है, आपने जो भी चीज चलानी है उसे पहले प्ले कर लो, ऑन कर लो, फिर उसके बाद जब आप शेयर स्क्रीन पे जाओगे वो आपको वहां शो हो जाएगी व्हाइट बोर्ड पे वही चीज, उस पर फिर डबल क्लिक करेंगे वो ओपन हो जाएगी।
अच्छा, एक सेकंड मैं
हाँ,
अभी
आप चाहे तो
आज
ट्राई
सॉर्ट
कर
आउट
लो,
कर
उसे
लेता
पहले
हूँ।
ओपन कर लो जो आपने चीज ओपन करनी है।
Okay. Radhika, you are sharing your screen right now?
No sir, I'm not sharing anything.
Okay. So is my screen is visible now?
No,
Word slide, एक word pad only.
no, nothing.
I have shared from